Alright folks, you got Mitchell here. It's summertime, it's hot as hell. We're doing all kinds of fun stuff around the farm, but today we want to talk about ice cream. Have you ever tried the Walmart brand ice cream sandwiches? The first question that I would ask you is, what is the flavor of these things? Because I tried it and there is no discernible flavor of any kind. All I got was, why the hell did I just put that in my mouth? So we got to thinking and looking some stuff up online, and we saw all this stuff about these Walmart sandwiches that don't melt in the sun. Well, I think it's 35, 40 degrees Celsius outside today, so we're gonna take these bad boys outside and put them to the test.
Oh my God, did you just see that? Is it really not gonna melt? Craziness, absolute craziness. You gotta remember, you're buying this stuff and you're feeding it to your kids and you're eating it yourself. I would say it is not melting. It's changing structure a little bit, but there is definitely no melt, and it is still holding its shape and form as an ice cream sandwich, and that's gross. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take it to the next level. Well, I think the results of this video are shocking. The non-melting ice cream sandwich just blows me away. You make your own choice, but as far as I'm concerned, we're never gonna buy this product again. And if you can put something in your mouth and it has no discernible flavor of any kind, it just has texture and temperature, you might wanna rethink your eating habits. Thanks very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.